I do hear some more questions. I do hear more business-facing data engineers who gather business requirements for data modeling. I'm not a huge fan about that. It depends a bit on where you are. Like, you can do data engineering without actually doing data science. I think that I've been thinking about that a lot, and I also made a post about that some time ago. Like, is data engineering really a part of data science, or should this be a separate field? I think it can be. It's a bit of both. Like, if you want to do data science, you need some good data engineering behind it. But you can also use, if you're working more on a traditional platform and you want to do some like with a data warehouse, or you want to bring in other tools or existing platforms or existing databases, then you need to have some data engineers who are talking with the business, who are talking with someone who already has some data, how to actually bring it into a platform, and to how to model the data and make it available for. And then it doesn't need to be a data scientist who works with the data. Could be an analyst, could also be someone from the sales department or something. So I think data engineering should also be a bit more a part of or should be also seen a bit more like not just data science, and under data science like a separate thing. And so that's when the data engineer needs to talk to the business, actually, when there's the actual use case is more for traditional use case than the actual science or scientist use case. Yeah. So that's why I think some data engineers are talking to the business.